In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Espanol. If you want to change the language of your ChatGPT interface so it appears in Spanish, the good news is that the process is very quick and simple. You do not need to install anything extra, and you do not need to change a lot of settings. Everything can be done directly inside ChatGPT in just a few clicks. To get started, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. This is where you'll usually find your account area. Go ahead and click on your profile. When you open that menu, you'll see several options related to your account and app preferences. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where ChatGPT lets you customize how the app looks and behaves. If you've never opened the settings before, don't worry. The layout is straightforward and the option we need is easy to find. Once you're inside Settings, stay under the General section. This area contains common preferences for the platform, including the language option. Look for the setting labeled Language. This controls the display language of the ChatGPT interface, so changing it will update menus, labels, and other on-screen text. Now click on Language, and you should see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list until you find Espanol. Once you see it, click on it to select it. As soon as you do that, the interface should update to Spanish, and that's it. ChatGPT will now display the interface in Espanol, making it easier to navigate if that's your preferred language. If the change doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment, or reopen the settings page to confirm that Espanol is selected. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that this changes the interface language, which means the menus and settings will appear in Spanish. You can still chat in different languages whenever you want, but this setting makes the overall app experience feel more natural for Spanish-speaking users. So again, the path is simple. Go to the bottom left, click your profile, open Settings, find General, click Language, and choose Espanol. After that, you're all set. If you're following along on your own screen, just take it one click at a time, and you should have it changed in less than a minute.